3 pairs of Air Jordan 1s that I regret buying. Why did I buy these Air Jordan 1s? This was a huge mistake. This first pair of Air Jordan 1s is just an L. I do not like the colorway. I don't know why on earth I even bought these. The Air Jordan 1 Light Fusion Red. I am not a fan of this colorway. I think these are straight hot garbage. I just don't like them. The only thing I like about the sneaker is the quality. The leather is nice, it's tumbled, and the white toe box, the white midsection, but as far as the actual colors, I just don't like them. I don't see myself wearing them, but I just don't think this colorway is very wearable for most people. It gives me that Ronald McDonald type vibe to it, the McDonald's vibes. If this was more of a brighter red, it would be straight up McDonald's, but I just don't like them, man. Resale price has tanked drastically on these. They weren't reselling anything crazy to begin with. They were going for around $190, $200 on release. They're under retail now, which I did expect. Not a good Jordan 1. When they give us Jordan 1s like this, I think that's what's hurting the market right now. Colorways like this. This is just my opinion. This entire video is going to be just my opinion. If you like these, you can buy them for under retail. One more thing I do like about them is that they come with a bunch of extra laces. That's a nice touch. White laces included as well. So you got 4 sets of laces. That's a lot for a pair of Jordans. But other than that, man, just an ugly shoe. I would never ever wear these. I don't see myself wearing them. Not a good hold. Don't hold on to these. You should have sold them already. This is just not it. Not a good Jordan 1. I am not a fan. I regret buying these. This is an L. I did purchase these from eBay, which is nice, and I actually got them for I think like $8 or $10 under retail. It's still a Jordan 1 for under retail, which is cool nowadays, but this colorway is just not it. These Light Fusion Reds are just not it, in my opinion. Next, we have a pair of Air Jordan 1s that I would wear. However, I didn't get them in my size. I'd wear them. I just don't know how often I would wear them, to be honest with you. I have so many other good, much better colorway Air Jordan 1s. This is not a bad colorway at all. The handcrafted. The brown is really nice. I wish it was all that brown. I think it'd make the sneaker a lot better. The Wings logo, I'm not really a huge fan of. I like the traditional Wings logo much better. It kind of throws it off. It does have like, you know, that handcrafted look and aesthetic to it. These are okay. They're cool. I would wear them, like I said, but I just didn't get my size. I have a size 9.5, so even if I wanted to wear them, I simply can't. I did pay, I believe, retail for them, so I got them for retail. That's not an L. It's a Jordan 1. Resale right now is not it. There's no resale on these really at all. The brown is really what got me to this sneaker. I think it's the best part of the shoe. It's something more for the fall, I think, than anything else. The sock liner, how it is that quilted material, I think that's a nice touch. And these also come with extra laces as well. You have black, white, and it looks like they come with an extra set of black laces as well. So 2 sets of black, as well as a pair of white midsection, white toe box, which I'm a huge fan of. It's just not one color blocking, one color. I think it would do a lot better if it was. With the mix up of colors, I think it's throwing a lot of people off. And then you do have some infrared there for some reason on the Nike Air. These are clean, more of a full shoe. I wear them, just simply didn't get my size. But that's okay, because I have a very good idea of what I'm gonna do with actually all of these Air Jordan 1s. Make sure you guys stay tuned to the end of the video so you guys can find out what I'm gonna be doing with all 3 of these pairs of Air Jordan 1s that I regret buying. Smash that like button, get this video up to 500 likes, and I'm gonna do another Air Jordan 1 giveaway. Now, this pair of Air Jordan 1s I regret buying for multiple reasons. The Bordeaux Air Jordan 1. I do think these will eventually go up in price. Market right now is not there. You can get them for right around retail. I do think eventually they'll hit like $250. I think it'll take way too long, so I'm not gonna hold them personally. Kind of torn on this shoe. I like it, but I also don't. The main thing that's throwing me off has to be the silver swoosh, as well as the jeweled. Now, I know they did that on the Midnight Navy pair. I sold my Midnight Navies. I no longer have them. I actually sold them, I think, like 2 or 3 weeks ago. I do like them. I like the Bordeaux. I just don't like the silver swoosh. And if I sold the Midnight Navies for my personal collection, there's no way on earth I'm gonna keep these. The Midnight Navies are better with the navy color. It is an older Jordan 1 that they brought back. This is a new colorway where I'd much rather have the navy, the Midnight Navy Japans. I sold those. There's no way I'm keeping these. I do like the Bordeaux color though. I don't have anything really in this colorway in my collection, which is why it's kind of drawing me to it. I'm gonna let go of these Air Jordan 1s as well as all the Air Jordan 1s you guys saw in this video. Listen up, let me explain what I'm gonna be doing with these pairs of Air Jordan 1s that I regret buying. I sold Air Jordan 1s for just $1. If you guys have not seen that video, I'll leave a link down below. Make sure you guys check out that video. I'm gonna be doing that again with these 3 pairs of Air Jordan 1s. I'm gonna be doing a video where I sell these pairs of Air Jordan 1s for just $1 again. If you guys want to get in on this and be a part of the video, if you're local here in Jersey, DM me on Instagram at DannyMoore2369 and you could possibly featured in a video. And you'll get the Jordan 1s for just $1. 3 Air Jordan 1s that I regret buying. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what sneakers you regret buying. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Let me know if you guys want me to do this type of video again with some other sneakers that I regret buying besides Air Jordan 1s. I regret buying all 3 of these Air Jordan 1s. They're not going to go up in price anytime soon. And these are just some of my sneaker regrets, and I have more. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.